Asset security. Asset security is a core area of information security that focuses on protecting organizational assets from theft, misuse, destruction, or unauthorized access. Assets can include anything of value to an organization, such as data, hardware, software, personnel, and intellectual property. Ensuring asset security involves implementing a combination of administrative, technical, and physical controls. The ultimate goal is to safeguard the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of these assets, which are vital for the organization's operations, reputation, and compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Types of assets. Organizational assets can be broadly categorized, with each type requiring specific security measures. Physical assets include tangible items such as servers, laptops, office equipment, and storage devices. Security measures for these assets include locked cabinets, restricted access, CCTV surveillance, and inventory management to ensure assets are not misplaced or stolen. Digital assets include intangible items like databases, intellectual property, and customer data. Protection strategies include encryption, access control mechanisms, and regular backups to prevent data breaches, leaks, or loss. Human assets are employees because they hold invaluable knowledge and have access to critical systems. Training employees on security best practices and implementing measures like user access reviews help minimize human-related security risks. Reputational assets is the company's brand, trustworthiness, and public image. Incidents such as data breaches or poor incident handling can harm an organization's reputation, making it vital to have robust security and crisis management strategies in place. Key components in asset security. Understanding what assets an organization possesses is the foundation of asset security. Maintaining a comprehensive inventory of all assets, including hardware, software, and data. Modern organizations often use automated tools for real-time asset tracking. Assets are categorized based on their sensitivity and criticality. For example, financial data and trade secrets may require the highest level of security due to their impact on operations or compliance. This process ensures prioritization and appropriate allocation of security resources. Access control ensures that only authorized personnel can access specific resources. In role-based access control, access is granted based on job roles, ensuring that users only have access to information and systems relevant to their responsibilities. In least privilege principle, employees and systems are provided only the access needed to perform their functions, reducing the potential for misuse. Multi-factor authentication incorporates multiple verification methods such as password, biometric, and one-time codes to enhance access security. This is particularly effective against stolen credentials. Organizations periodically review and adjust access permissions to ensure they remain aligned with users' roles. Protecting digital assets requires strong safeguards to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Encryption ensures that data is unreadable without the proper decryption key. This applies to both data at rest and data in transit. Sensitive data is obscured to protect it from unauthorized access during testing or training activities. Routine backups ensure that data can be restored in case of accidental deletion, corruption, or ransomware attacks. Backups should be stored in multiple locations, including offline storage for added protection. Tools and processes that monitor, detect, and block unauthorized data transfers, preventing data leaks. Physical security ensures that tangible assets are protected from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. In access control systems, facilities use ID badges, biometric scanners, and keycards to restrict entry to sensitive areas like server rooms. Environmental controls include protecting against physical threats such as fire, floods, and power failures by installing fire suppression systems, humidity controls, and redundant power supplies. Surveillance and continuous video monitoring deters unauthorized activities and helps investigate incidents. Asset security applies throughout the life cycle of an asset, ensuring protection and security measures at each phase. During the acquisition phase, assets must be sourced from reputable vendors who follow robust security protocols to minimize risks. In the deployment phase, assets are configured securely and integrated into the organization's system. Hardening techniques are applied to reduce vulnerabilities. In the decommissioning phase, assets are securely disposed of using techniques like data wiping, degaussing, or physical destruction to ensure sensitive data is unrecoverable. The maintenance phase involves ongoing updates, applying patches, and continuous monitoring to maintain asset security and operational integrity. Ongoing audits and monitoring are essential for identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring compliance. Security audits involve checking for misconfigurations, unauthorized changes, and policy violations. They can be performed internally or by third-party experts. Real-time monitoring detects anomalies such as unusual login attempts or data access patterns. Security information and event management tools are commonly used for this purpose. Challenges in asset security. Organizations encounter several challenges when implementing and maintaining asset security. With the rise of cloud computing, IoT, and remote work, assets are increasingly distributed, making asset management complex. Human errors, such as falling for phishing attacks or mishandling sensitive data, remain a significant challenge. Regular training and simulations can mitigate these risks. New attack vectors, like zero-day vulnerabilities and insider threats, require constant vigilance and adaptation of security practices. Best practices in asset security. Organizations can enhance asset security by implementing a range of best practices to mitigate risks and address vulnerabilities effectively. Conducting regular risk assessments helps organizations understand potential threats, evaluate their likelihood and impact, and allocate resources based on priority. Defense in depth involves implementing multiple layers of security controls, ensuring that even if one measure is breached, other safeguards continue to protect the assets. Employee awareness programs focus on equipping staff with knowledge and skills to identify and report potential security threats, reducing the risk of human error. Automation tools streamline asset management processes by automating tasks like tracking, patching, and monitoring, thereby reducing errors and improving overall efficiency. To summarize, asset security is a multidimensional discipline that requires a proactive approach to protect the diverse and interconnected assets of modern organizations. From identifying and classifying assets to implementing robust controls and staying compliant with global standards, every step contributes to safeguarding an organization's operations and reputation. As cyber threats and organizational complexity grow, continuous improvement in asset security practices remains a cornerstone of effective risk management.